We're also preparing to see a total lunar eclipse.
But it's not just an eclipse, it's also a superflower blood moon. Chita Craft explains what exactly that fancy name actually means.
For 84 minutes, the moon will cross through Earth's shadow. Since the Earth and the moon have slightly tilted orbits to each other, this happens a couple times a year when the tilts of the orbit align. Depending on how that happens, you may get a penumbral, partial, or total eclipse. This will be a total lunar eclipse, but you will still be able to see the moon. It will just look red. That's because when the sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths of light scattered outward, while the longer red wavelengths are bent toward the moon, making it look red, which explains the blood moon part. Now about the supermoon part. Because the orbit of the moon is not a perfect circle, the moon is sometimes a bit closer to the Earth. And when this happens, on average, supermoons appear about 7% bigger and 15% brighter than a typical full moon. And now the name, flower moon. It takes this name because flowers are in bloom this month across North America. Other names for this month's full moon include corn planting moon and milk moon. So here we go for the superflower blood moon total lunar eclipse. Sky conditions look to be partly cloudy, so let's hope our viewing conditions can hold. Now, if you missed this one, the next lunar eclipse will take place November 8th.
And I know that was a lot of information. We're going to post this on KTRU.com and, of course, our social platforms as well. But again, starts about 10:30 Sunday evening, wraps up around midnight. Now, today,